In today's video, I will teach you how to create an inspiring mood board in PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, make a canvas with your preferred size. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. This will open up PicMonkey's Canvas Presets library, which contains a wide variety of canvas size presets for every social media and prints. You can also input your custom width and height at the upper right corner of the panel if you have a specific size in mind. Now simply click the Make It button to open the blank canvas in the editor. You can also start with a completely customizable template to make the design part easier for you. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. This will open up PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. In the Templates panel, you will see thousands of free and customizable templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword mood board, and thousands of mood board design templates will pop up. Once you've decided which template to use, you can now customize your template. To replace the image on the template, simply select the image first, right-click it, and select Replace Image. Then choose the source of your file on the drop-down menu. But if you would like to add another image, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can either choose from PicMonkey's wide variety of free and premium stock images, or you can upload your own image. To upload your own image in PicMonkey, simply press the Add Photo or Video button, and select the source of your file. Now, you can simply click the uploaded image, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now, you can move the image around, resize it, rotate it, or crop it. Now, to edit the text, simply click on the existing text layer on the canvas. And if you're starting from scratch, you can add a text box by simply going to the sidebar, open the Text tab, and either choose from PicMonkey's completely customizable text presets, or add a new text box. All the text editing tools will appear at the sidebar while the text layer is selected. To change the text, simply double-click the text, and you can now freely type whatever you like on the text layer. To add graphics, simply go to the sidebar, open the Graphics tab, and browse through PicMonkey's neatly categorized graphics elements. But if you would like to narrow down your choices, simply type in the keyword related to the graphics element that you would like to find. To customize your graphics, select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear on the sidebar. Here you have the option to change the color of the element, and even turn it into a gradient. You also have the option to add shadows and outline, and fill your graphics element with an image. And once you're satisfied with your design, you can now either download the image directly to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.